Hi, I'm Stephanie from easyDNS, and I'm here to take you through the proactive nameservers user interface. So the first thing you do is head over to the website and log into your account. Pick which domain you're going to manage, and it'll be under your Tools tab in the Domain Administration module. Click on Proactive Nameservers. Now, when you first activate Proactive Nameservers for your domain, it's going to pull in your existing nameserver delegation for the domain and set that as your default pool. At this point, I'd like to draw your attention to the Master Authoritative Nameserver module. This is where you define the primary nameserver for your domain name. Now, if you're using easyDNS for DNS hosting, it'll automatically pull in our master nameserver, but this can be anywhere. It can be a nameserver on some other DNS provider, or it can be a master nameserver that you run behind the scenes within your own organization. The important thing to know about the Master Authoritative Nameserver module is that the data here is considered current and primary for your domain. So when a backup pool or a nameserver pool matches this data, it is considered to be in sync and usable as a nameserver pool for your domain. So right now, we just have the one default nameserver pool. To make this useful, we want to define a backup nameserver pool, something that can step in and take over our DNS if something happens to the default nameserver pool. A popular choice around here is Amazon's Route 53 DNS, because we have Easy Route 53, an integrated linkware into Route 53's web services. Here we have the system detecting that we have Route 53 enabled, so we're just going to define that as our next backup pool. We can still add more backup nameservers. In this case, we're going to set up a backup pool at DNS Made Easy. No relation to us, but there are several high-traffic websites that use both their service and our service for redundancy. You can use any third-party DNS service that either allows you to transfer from their nameserver or will have their nameservers transfer from your master. What you can also do is switch the orders of your backup pools around. It works like MX mail exchangers. The lower the priority, the sooner it's going to get used, all else being equal. In this case, we're just going to put DNS Made Easy ahead of Amazon Route 53. To sum it all up, here's what we're doing. We're defining backup nameservers and loading your zone data onto those nameservers. Then we're monitoring the active nameservers and the backup nameservers and making sure that everything is responsive and everything is in sync. Then, if we find a problem with the actively delegated nameservers for your domain, we're going to swap them out and replace them with the warm spare nameservers that are up to date with your data. They'll keep on serving your zone data until the primary nameservers are back online, in which case we'll put everything back. And that's how proactive nameservers work.